Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adenike. How are you doing? In today's video I'll be showing you what I cargo from my country Nigeria to Canada. Let's unbox this together. I have some food stuff, I have clothes, I have some shoe, and especially for the foodstuffs from Africa, they are like more cheaper than buying it over here in the African store. So if you're in Canada, if you're in US, you can just comment down and let me know, is it cheaper to cargo from Africa, or is more cheaper to buy from the African store here? So comment down and let me know. But for me, it's more cheaper to buy from Africa. So let's get into the video. If you are coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber on my channel, thank you for subscribing. And if you're watching my video and you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel. Join this lovely family for more video. Guys, can you see how they wrap the fish? I mean, they wrap it so good, so good. And this is my catfish. I have over 32 pieces of catfish in here, the medium size, which is not bad. And this is gonna last me for so long, for so long. And guys, for the food, the quantity of the food, like, is going to take us for more than 6 months. Now the catfish are so dry, I mean so dry. Yeah, smoked catfish. If you want to buy smoked catfish here, like just 2 pieces is $15. And it's also small size, so I have almost 32 pieces here. I also have expression, kinky braid, because that is another thing. Hair is very expensive here. Making your hair is expensive. Buying the extension is very expensive. So I cargo this from Africa, and I do sell hair. I sell clothes, African wears. I sell all this party shoe and purse. Maybe one day I'm going to show you guys where I store all my stuff. So let's get into the video. And for this last box, I have some clothes I saw from Africa, because I'm going to a wedding party and my tailor is back in my country. So I saw some clothes from Africa, and I have some party shoe over there and party purse. Sorry. So thank you guys for watching. And these are some of the gift item I'm gonna be souvenirs I'll be distributing to the guests on the wedding day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. God bless you. Bye.